Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT for Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how you can download WordPress and WampServer. First of all, we're gonna download WordPress. So click here and type download WordPress. So here you can download your WordPress. Click on this button, which is 5.3.2 is the latest version of WordPress. Here our WordPress download is completed. So after downloading this, we're gonna download our WampServer, which is our local server, because we're developing our website in a local server first. That's why we're gonna download WampServer. So here you can type download WampServer. Download WampServer. So click on this link. Click on download button, and then you can select here WampServer 64 bits or 32 bits depending upon your system. So I'm gonna download WampServer 64 bits. So here it can show us a message. You can click on this download directly button. Here our download has started. In next video I'll gonna show you that how you can install WordPress or WampServer in your local system.